Good day to everyone. This is Triple4 Motovlog, ang motoristang gala ng Singapore. So today, our 6th time to pump $10 petrol to Shell station here at HAVELOCK. So we're going to claim our rain suit, and hopefully we still can continue pumping to Shell HAVELOCK to get another one more rain suit. So later, after we claim our rain suit, once we go back, I'm going to show you and give you some review of the raincoat. By the way, we already accumulate 6 sticker, or we collected already. This is our 6th sticker. Actually, we collected 5, and now we're going to pump again for another one more sticker, and this is the 6th time that we're going to collect, and we can claim our raincoat to Shell station. So we're already on our way. So we're here at Shell HAVELOCK, and we have to pump first $10, and we're going to claim our raincoat. 4.44. Okay, it's time to redeem our raincoat. So this is our 6th sticker. Morning. Number 12, large. Yes.
980. Size large, huh?
Size large.
Right?
Thank you. Yun, we already have our raincoat, L size. Okay. So yun na nga, mga kamotoristang gala, we already have our free raincoat from Shell HAVELOCK, and thank you Shell for giving us a rider token of appreciation for filling up to your branch. Actually, mga kamotoristang gala, we still can continue collecting another 6 more sticker for us to get another raincoat. No limit, but the promotion is until 30th of September, and of course while stock lasts. So hopefully we can get another raincoat for spare, and later I'm going to show you the raincoat and give you some review. So yun na nga mga kamotoristang gala, naka-uwi na tayo, and then i-unboxing natin. Tama ba? Unboxing ba tawag dito sa raincoat? So I will show you the free raincoat from Shell HAVELOCK that we just got this morning. So ito siya. So size L lang kinuha natin, ang nakalagay siya sa bag. So i-open natin. Here's the bag. then yung raincoat. So on both shoulders, you can see a reflectorized, I don't know what they call this one. You can see a reflectorized line here, and also behind, all the way through here. And the shell logo, I think, should be reflectorized also. And we got some hoodie for more protection. This side is also adjustable, but velcro, and okay, open natin. So, double layer siya. It's a normal pants, and then also got velcro down here for us to make it more tightened. So, try natin, i-fit natin para dito sa inyo. So yun mga kamotoristang gala, the shell raincoat is really fits well para sa L size para sa atin, and shout out to all Singaporean riders who aiming or looking or need a raincoat, especially if you want a free raincoat. So do start dropping by or pumping at Shell Station HAVELOCK and collect a total of 6 stickers for every $10 purchase of petrol, and then after that you can directly claim your free shell raincoat at Shell HAVELOCK. Until next time, hope you like our video and do subscribe our channel, like, share, and hit the bell button for more upcoming video. Ride safe and more rides. Bye bye.